In this video I'm going to show you how to archive reels on Instagram. That's very simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you need to open up your Instagram, get in your profile, and let's add some reel here. I will upload my video, tap share button, and now I see my reel is sending, and when it will be published I'll show you how to archive it. And now you see the reel is posted, and let me show you how to archive that, because instead of posts, archive operation is different. Because when we got a post, we just tap on three dots icon and here select archive option to archive this post. But if we open up reel, tap on three dots, there are no archive option, but you can use remove from profile grid option instead of archive, and this action will remove this reel from your profile and it becomes kinda draft. Let me show you how it works. I select that option, then go to my profile. I see that reel is deleted, and when I open this tab I see that here it is, and just you have access to watch this reel. It's like a draft.